Friends, welcome back. In this tutorial we are going to learn how we can see or how we can view multiple of worksheets at a time or side by side. So for this you have to click on the view tab and then you need to click on new window option. So there is a rule before clicking the new window option. Just remember, if you have multiple of worksheets, just count the worksheets, how many you want to see at a time, and suppose you want to see 10 worksheets at a time, so do a -1. That means you need to click new window option 9 times. Okay, so here I have only 2 sheets, one is red and other one is green. So here I will click only once. Just click new window and now click on view and then click on arrange all. Okay, just click on tilde and okay, you can see multiple of worksheets are showing side by side, and you can write down anything and it will replicate at the same time. If you want to scroll both the worksheets at the same time, then you need to click on the view tab again and then you need to activate the synchronous scrolling. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.